Hello, grateful learners. My name is Teacher L, and welcome to our Music and Arts lesson for Quarter 1, Weeks 1 to 2. Today's topic is My Cultural Identity and My Province. Are you ready to explore and learn more about yourself and your community through music and arts? Let's begin. For today's lesson, our learning competency is to discuss the basic concepts and principles of sound, theater, dance, and visual elements based on the representations in the creative works of their province. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe basic concepts and principles of sound, theater, dance, and visual elements based on the Balenciana Festival of General Trias City. Let's start with our first activity, the creative works of my province. I will show you some pictures of music, dances, crafts, or traditions that may be found in our province. Your task is to identify the concept or idea being shown in each picture. Are you ready? Okay. Look at these 5 pictures carefully. Can you name the festival? You may write your answers in your notebook or just say them out loud. I'll give you a few seconds to think. You may now begin. Ready for the answers? Let's go through them together. The first picture is the Regado Festival from Cavite City. It's known as the Water Festival, where people splash water to symbolize blessings and unity. The second picture is the Kawayan Festival of Maragondon, Cavite, which celebrates bamboo or kawayan, an important part of local products, crafts, and culture. The third picture shows the Paro-Paro Festival, celebrated in Dasmariñas City, highlighting the beauty and transformation of the city just like the butterflies. The fourth picture is the Wagayway Festival in Imus City, which honors the first waving of the Philippine flag, a powerful symbol of our country's independence and pride. And finally, the fifth picture is the Pahimis Festival of Amadeo, Cavite, known as the coffee capital of the Philippines. This festival gives thanks for the coffee harvest and promotes local coffee farming. Now, well done if you identify them correctly. These festivals show how rich and colorful our province's culture really is. Now, let's take a look at this picture from the Mabuhay Balenciana Festival. Since we won't be watching a video, you'll use your eyes and imagination to interpret what's happening. Let's think about these questions together. First, what did you observe in the picture? Second, what do you think the Valenciana Festival is all about? Is it a celebration of food, culture, or history? Third, how do you feel about the dance movements or poses in the picture? Do they look graceful, energetic, or traditional? And finally, what kind of music do you think the dancers are using? Is it fast, slow, or somewhere in between? Do you imagine it being loud and lively or more calm and moderate? You can share your answers by writing them in your notebook or talking with a classmate or family member. Remember, there are no wrong answers. This is your own interpretation. Let your eyes and your ideas work together. Now let's take a moment to reflect and share. Have you seen the costumes and props used in the Balenciana Festival before? What do you think about them? Are they colorful? Do they show creativity and tradition? Next, have you ever attended the Valenciana Festival or any other local festivals here in our province, like the Paro-Paro Festival, Regada, or Pahimis Festival? If yes, what was it like? What did you see, hear, or enjoy the most? You can write your answers in your notebook. or share with your family member. Class, festivals are special because they bring people together and help us feel proud of our culture. Your experiences matter, and it's always nice to celebrate where we come from. Let's now learn about the elements of artistic expression. These elements are the basic components used in creating any form of art, whether it's a dance, a song, a painting, or a festival performance. They are like the building blocks of creativity. Just like how we need ingredients to cook a delicious dish, artists use these elements to make their work meaningful and effective. What are the elements of artistic expression? Here are some important elements of expression. So in visual art, we have elements like color, the bright or dark shades we see, line, straight, curve, or zigzag lines in a drawing, shape, like circles, triangles, or squares, texture, how something looks or feels like smooth or rough. In music and dance, we include rhythm, the beat or timing of the movement or sound, movement, how the body or objects are moving, sound, what we hear in the background or during the performance. Space is the area inside or between objects. Space can be empty or full. So each element has a role. Together, they help express emotions, tell stories, and showcase culture. These elements work together to make creative works more powerful and meaningful. Let's talk about creative works. These are outputs or performances that combine two or more art forms, like music, dance, visual arts, theater, and more. For example, a festival performance may include dance steps with colorful costumes and background music. A theater play may involve acting, singing, and even artwork for the stage design. So class creative works are powerful because they bring together different kinds of art to express culture, tell stories, or entertain people. Now let's focus on our very own province, Cavite. What do you think are the relevant creative works found here? This can be festivals, traditional dances, music, crafts, or performances that represent the rich culture of Caviteños. Some of the notable creative works in Cavite include colorful festivals like Regada Festival in Cavite City, Kawayan Festival of Margondon, Cavite, Paro-Paro Festival of Dasmariñas, Cavite, Wagayway Festival of Imus, Cavite, and Pahimis Festival of Amadeo, Cavite. So, we also have folk dances, parades, locally made products, and traditional music that showcase who we are. So why do you think these are important? Well, these creative works are important because they help preserve our identity, history, and values as a community. Can you name one creative work from your town or barangay? Let's be proud of it. One of the most exciting and meaningful festivals in Cavite is the Balenciana Festival, celebrated in the city of General Trias. The colorful Balenciana Festival brings the streets of Gentry to life every December. The celebration is being held in honors of the Blessed Virgin Mary. It also shows the local specialty of General Trias called Valenciana, which is a Filipino paella-like rich dish. This cuisine, which has long and storied tradition in General Trias culture, quickly gained widespread popularity. Now, class, the Valenciana Festival shows how proud the people of Gentry are of their faith and culture. Aside from the religious aspect, this festival is also a way to highlight their delicious local dish, the Valenciana. Have you tasted it before? It's often served in celebrations like fiestas and holidays. Now, festivals like these are important because they help us appreciate our local traditions and bring the community together. Valenciana as Gentry's culinary treasure. The Valenciana dish became popular in General Trias thanks to the cities with them from Spain. This meal is a delicacy in the Philippines and is similar to the Spanish dish paella. As a result of Spain's lengthy colonization of the Philippines over 300 years, Spanish cuisine and culture are deeply ingrained in everyday life in the country. Throughout time, different variations of Valenciana developed in various areas of the Philippines as the dish was tailored to local preferences and supplies. Now, Valenciana is more than just a food. It's part of our history because the Philippines was colonized by Spain for a long time. Many of their dishes were introduced here and adopted by Filipinos. So in General Trias, Valenciana became one of the most loved traditional dishes. So have you tried the Caviteño version of Valenciana? How do you think it is different from the Spanish one? The Valenciana Festival is more than just a celebration. It is an example of a creative work because it brings together different forms of art. We can hear music, see colorful costumes and props, watch graceful dances, and even experience theater-like performances. So it truly shows how rich and lively Caviteño culture is. Can you name parts of the festival where you saw music, dance, or visual art? Music plays a big role in setting the mood of the Valenciana Festival. The performers move with energy and excitement because of the fast and upbeat instrumental music. The loud and lively sounds fill the air and make the whole event more exciting, not just for the dancers but also for the audience. Have you ever danced or watched a performance with this kind of music? How did it make you feel? The dance in the Valenciana Festival is lively and creative. Dancers wear bright and colorful costumes and use props and headdresses while performing in the streets. What makes this special is that there's no fixed dance step. Each group creates their own moves to highlight their interpretation of Kapampangan culture. This gives them a chance to be truly artistic and expressive. Have you seen a dance like this before? What do you think makes it unique? The Valenciana Festival doesn't just rely on dance, it also uses theater to tell stories. Performers express emotions and narratives using gestures, facial expressions, and body movements. Their performances often include scenes that show how we celebrate Christmas, prepare our local delicacies like Valenciana, or follow our cultural traditions here in Cavite. Theater helps make the street dancing more meaningful and engaging, allowing the audience to feel the story behind the performance. Another element of artistic expression in the Valenciana Festival is visual arts. The colorful costumes, detailed headdresses, and artistic props used by performers all represent the identity and creativity of their community. These are not just designed to look beautiful, they are also made to withstand the heat and energy of the street dance. Through visual arts, the festival becomes a feast for the eyes and a way to appreciate the creativity of Gentriseños. In a festival performance such as Valenciana, these four art forms, music, dance, theater, and visual art, are combined to create holistic experiences that engage the audience on multi-sensory levels. Each art form enhances and is enhanced by the others, creating a more cohesive and immersive performance. Together, they create a performance greater than the summary of its parts. This is how creative works are made. Now let's take a moment to complete these statements in your notebook. Think about what you've learned about creative works and the importance of the Valenciana Festival in showcasing Caviteño culture. Now let's reflect on what we learned today. Look at the table and place a smiley face in the column that best shows your level of understanding. Be honest, it's okay if you're still learning. Thank you, everyone.